everybody, crew. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be making chicken fajitas. So I'm gonna get started with the green onion, the red onion. Oh, why I say onion, y'all? Bell peppers, the green pepper, red pepper, orange pepper, and green, red, yellow, orange, and some onions. And I'm gonna saute it in this pan with this butter. I'm using not butter but margarine. So I'm using the Blue Bonnet brand. And then I'm taking my veggies and I'm sauteing them in the pan. Get it nice and caramelized and seasoned up. So I'm gonna be showing y'all what seasons I use. And so y'all see that mixed garlic? Put some of that in there. And then add the seasons in there until they cook down and reduce.
The seasoning for it. Pop your mango. The garlic powder.
So I stir that season up in there real good. Like I said, wait till them onions and them bell peppers get caramelized real good. And then I'm going to add my mushrooms in at the end. Because, you know, mushrooms cook faster. So we don't want our mushrooms to be all rubbery and stuff. And if you're a vegetarian, you know, you can stop here with the mushrooms and the peppers. Sorry, y'all heard my baby in the background crying. But like I was saying, if you're a vegetarian, you can put those peppers and those mushrooms inside the wrap and eat it with the cheese. Or, you know, if you're a vegan, you could do it with the, you know, the vegan cheese in the gluten-free wrap. You know how y'all do it. But anywho, I was waiting for my onions to caramelize like this. Get them, you know, get them down and then put the mushrooms in there. And, you know, cook it up. Season the mushrooms, y'all. Because we don't want no bland food. Not over here. We don't do bland food. Not at all. Not at all, sweetie. If it ain't seasoned, baby. I don't want no food that ain't seasoned. You hear me? I won't even eat it at all. So, like I said, I use the chicken to put it inside of here. After I'm done with the mushrooms cooking down, put the chicken, get them frozen chicken, or you could get chicken breasts, whatever kind of chicken floats your boat, baby, get it, you know. But make sure you cook your chicken down. See, this is already pre-cooked chicken, but if you cooking chicken, regular chicken like chicken thighs or chicken breasts, cook your chicken first and then mix it in with your tortilla. And like I said, get the tortilla wrap. Girl, it was so hard to find some damn tortilla wraps because everybody want to slap their mama with the damn tortilla wrap. Get on my dang on nerves. All these damn trends and these kids wasting food. They gonna wish they had a tortilla wrap. But anywho, you're gonna load it up with some of that Mexican cheese and that mixture, the peppers and the chicken. And then you're gonna saute that pan up. You're gonna put some of that butter in that pan. Make sure that pan hot. You hear me? Not too hot, because we don't want to burn it, baby. We want to even cook. You know, we had to turn that pan down. And then put your butter in there. Let your butter cook. Simmer on down. And then put your wrap in there until all that goodness is melted. You hear me? And it got a crispy end. See, like that? Baby. I'm telling you, it's going to hit every time. It's going to hit every time. It's a simple meal. It's something easy. A kid can do it. You can do it on a night that you want something quick and easy, you know, and take it out the pan, and you're going to cut it into triangles. See, that one filled me up, and everybody, and see, I feed 9 people, so it's going to fill the whole family up. Put a little salsa and some little sour cream, and booyah, boom.